Hello traders, today is the 22nd of November 2010 and happy trading to you all. Right here we have the Euro USD currency pair, the hourly chart of this Euro USD currency pair. As you can see, before London was open, we received a clear cut signal to sell here. I'll highlight that zone for you because we knew that we should be looking for opportunity to sell. The price will gap up, okay? It gap up in the Asia session, okay, and went up nicely, okay. And just before London was about to open, we know that the bulls are start getting tired. If you look at the candles here, okay, this one went down, they push it back up. This one went up, they push it back down. These two candles here, the first one here and this one here, are just telling you straight away that the bulls are losing it. Okay, if you look at this candle, what's happened? The price opened here and went all the way down here, canceling this one here. Okay, but the bulls managed to push it back. That's the last breath. Okay, they push it back to close right here, as you can see. And then again here, as you can see, the price went up and the bear managed to push it back down. Okay, these two candles, the first one here, this one here, are telling you straight away that there is a bearish pressure here. This one went down, this one went up, they push it back down. Okay, so who is controlling this one? This one is controlled by the bull, by the bear, because the bear, it went up first, but the bear managed to push it back down. This one will open here, but the bear push it down. So these two candles are telling you that the bear are working in this area. That's how you know. And then this one follow, okay, bullishly, okay, close it both nicely. But look at this one, that one follow it straight away here. As you can see, it opened here but closed down. It went up, they push it down, push it down, push it down, which means the bear are getting a bit aggressive and annoyed. They are getting angry right now. They don't like what the bulls are trying to do, and they get very aggressive. And look at this candle here, again bullish, and then follow again by the bearish candle. So watching the candle alone, okay, will tell you a lot of story. If you understand the language of the price itself, the number one indicator right there, you know straight away that each time that the bulls try to push it up, the bear are selling. Why the bear are selling here? Because if you start, if you follow the right way of trading, starting from the higher time frame before switching back to the lower time frame, you will know straight away that this is a resistance zone. This is a hot spot resistance zone on the weekly chart. Okay, that's why the bear are getting a bit angry that the bull are trying to push the price up. And like I said to you before, that if you want to trade, if you want to gamble, okay, those who like to gamble, all you need to do is to come at 2 a.m. Eastern time, which is 7 a.m. London time, and to buy the Euro USD. You see this candle here that I'm showing you here, this one here, where I'm moving my cursor. Okay, this candle is the 2 a.m. Eastern time. As you can see, the price, they push it up. You see how they push it up? They push it up, push it up, push it up. Okay, and exactly there London was open. Okay, on this candle here, if I draw the vertical line on that candle for you, it's happening all the time. It's something that is happening constantly. Okay, this candle here, where I draw my vertical line, you see now this vertical line, I'll remove the vertical line so you can see again. I hope you see it now. Okay, so at 2 a.m. Eastern time, when Europe is opening, or Frankfurt is opening, all the time they push the euro up. Don't ask me why they are doing it all the time, but everybody know now. That's why I say to you, for the market to be manipulated, it's only through news. But if it's happening on the chart, we will see it's happening every time. 2 a.m. So note it down, 2 a.m. Eastern time. Look for opportunity to buy the Euro USD. Okay, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell anything at all. Okay, as you can see here, they came in again at 2 a.m. I was here watching, and I knew that the Euro USD will definitely go up between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. Eastern time. Exactly what they did. And the professional came in and knew that they were completely wrong and sold them down. And I did exactly the same thing to the professional traders, because I do not trade before London open. I wait for the opening bell, which is at 3 a.m. Eastern time, and they came in now. The professional selling, I sold together with the professional traders. Okay, that's what I'm doing all the time. I respect the professional traders, I respect the opening bell, and that's why the TSTW24 traders also are doing all the time. If you want to join us, I trade like a pro, you need to go to www.stochastic-macd.com, www stochastic-market.com and start trading like a pro, or learn to trade like a pro, okay? Because there is a time to buy and a time to sell. Right there was a time to sell, and we sold it. Right there, you look at that. It went down big time, okay? All the down. Now we are looking for opportunity to buy, okay? Now, if what I should say to the TSTW24 traders is to switch back to the best lower time frame of the TSTW24 and to start looking at the TSTW24 signal, looking for opportunity to buy if there is opportunity to buy. This is what we notice in the market all the time. 2 a.m. Eastern time, the market, they will push it up, okay? And at 3 a.m. Eastern time, the professional come in and do the opposite thing. Now, if the market is about to go up, so remember that if the market is about to go up, usually when they come in at 2 a.m., which is Eastern time, when Frankfurt is about to open, Frankfurt is opening, if the price is about to go up, they will push it down. They will do the opposite. They will push it down, okay? And then the professional will come in and buy, and the price will go up, okay? I don't know whether Frankfurt is working nicely or they try to fool the traders all the time, but it's happening all the time. That's something we notice all the time. And then tomorrow, probably we'll see again the same thing. As a TSTW24 traders, we know this game all the time. And if you wait for the bell to open, you will trade with the professional trader and you'll be rewarded. Look at that. If you sell it at this level here, it's a nice trade today, very fast and very obvious. A bit crazy, but I mean, this thing is happening all the time. You sell it at this level here when it retraces back to this, because when you push it up, like you watch it carefully, wait it to come to the sell level here, where I'll draw a horizontal line for you to tell you how you do it. So you notice before the London was open that they should sell. Okay, that's your line where you want to sell. I will call out that yellow for you. So that's what you do. You draw, you wait for it, you say, okay, now there's opportunity to sell. Okay, so they come in at the 2 a.m. Eastern time, they will do exactly what they do all the time. They'll push it up. If you want to trade with them, you can quickly make money fast with them, because they are very aggressive. For 2 a.m., they are very aggressive. They push the price fast to the upside, or if the market is about to go down, they'll push it. If the market is about to go down, they will push it up like they did today. They were very aggressive traders, okay? Aggressive. I don't know who are these people, but they're doing it all the time. So you can trade with them, make quick money, and then sell it down again. Okay, so you make money twice all the time. So this is something you need to pay attention to. 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. There are some crazy activity going on the market, so you may also take advantage of that. Okay, so if you want to sell, so you draw your line like this, and then they push it up like this. You wait for the price to come back and close below this line, and then you sell nicely, because if you went up and try to come back down, it means that they are not, it's rejection, a clear rejection. That's why I say it to you right here. Or if you are a very conservative trader, you have to wait for this candle to be completed before you sell. But we knew that we should be selling, okay, looking at the price itself, what is telling us all through this zone, and also looking at the higher time frame, the weekly chart. We know straight away that we should sell, and this candle just confirmed to us straight away that it's a sell. So you do exactly the same thing that the professional are doing, and the professional will respect you for following them instead of stepping on their feet. Okay, so as a TSTW24 trader, we know the code of the market, we understand the price, we understand the market, and we use our tool carefully, respecting the opening bell, and trading with the professional traders. If they are on launch, we are going also on launch. If they come back, we come back also. Trading together with the professional trader is the best thing that every trader should respect and follow in order to cream this market consistently. I hope you find this video useful, that you put into practice in order to cream this market consistently. Another thing that I need to say before I close this video quickly is that on the hourly chart, as I said to you, you have to respect the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. As you can see, the price was touching it nicely, which is the best place. Pressing your stop loss above the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. Okay, so as a TSTW24 trader, now that the price is here, which is the kind of support level where I'm moving my cursor now, we switch back to our best lower time frame using our TSTW24 trading system in order to cream it again, whichever direction they are going. If they are going down, we will cream it. If they are going up, we will cream it by all means. So as we did today, a very nice one from 13768, went down all the way to 13670, nearly 100 pips for this trade, quick and fast. Okay, that's how you want to do it all the time. Okay, until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.